To evaluate a polynomial in two or more variables, we substitute numbers for the variables. Then we compute using the rules for order of operations. Let's take a look at this application. The volume of a cylindrical shaped silo is given as pi r squared h, where r is the radius of the base and h is the height. A cylindrical shaped silo has a height of 60 feet and a radius of 10 feet. Find its volume. So here we're given the formula for the volume of a cylindrical shaped three-dimensional object. Volume is equal to pi r for radius squared times h, the height, and we're given that this silo has a height of 60 feet, that'll be our value of h, and a radius of 10 feet, that'll be the value to replace r with. Pi, exact value is 22/7, an approximate value 3.14, or using the pi key on a calculator, we'll take a look at that in just a minute, times the radius. Radius given here is the 10 feet, quantity squared, times the height, which is 60 feet. Should be noted that both of these dimensions are in the same unit. They're both in feet. Feet squared here with a radius times feet will give us cubic feet, recognized as a volume, so we're good shape with our units. And then, order of operations, we would square first and then do our multiplication. And to illustrate that on the calculator here, I'm going to enter the pi key, which is a direct key here, times that by the 10, which is squared using the x squared key, and last value is we need to multiply this by 60 from our formula. Let me slide that over so you can see that. So we had the pi, the 10 quantity squared times 60, and tapping the equals key gives us a value of 18,849.5. If we round this to the nearest whole number, the 5 in the tenths is large enough to increase our 9 by 1, so we end up with 18,850. And as we mentioned earlier, it would be feet to the power of 3.